Hello everyone, Radhe Radhe to all of you. Welcome back in Dear Genius. आज की क्लास में हम करेंगे क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन विच इज अ पार्ट ऑफ कैलकुलस विच यू रिक्वायर्ड इन योर फिजिक्स सब्जेक्ट. Basic mathematics, quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation having degree 2 means highest power of x is 2. Standard quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a and b are the coefficient of x and c is the constant term. And when we solve this equation, then we have two roots alpha and beta. The value of alpha is minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and the second root is beta, which is equals to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These two roots are of this quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard equation, and the roots of the nature of the roots of this quadratic equation depends on the value of d. D is the discriminant, which is equals to b square minus 4ac. D is the discriminant. When we solve the value of d, then our first condition is d greater than 0. Our second condition is d equals to 0, and the third condition is d less than 0. When d greater than 0, when we solve this b square minus 4ac, then value comes greater than 0. That means this and this under root factor is positive. That means our alpha and beta, our roots are real and unequal. When d equals to 0, that means this under root factor is equals to 0. That means our roots are alpha and alpha equals to beta equals to minus b upon 2a. Because this factor is 0, that means we can say our roots are equal and real. Now our third condition is d less than 0. In this, alpha and beta are imaginary, because the value of d is less than 0, which is a negative value. When negative sign come in under root, that means this factor denotes a imaginary value. One is real and one is imaginary value, and the complete root is complex. That is all about of quadratic equation. Is the basic part which you already studied in your 10th class. If you have any doubt in the quadratic equation, then you can comment. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.